Ohrid's fortress is one of the largest fortification objects in Macedonia. Through the history, it has been destroyed many times, but also rebuilt and enlarged, so it bears the traits from almost all the historical epochs. However, it is considered that the biggest part of the fortress is from the time of Czar Samuel, from 976 to 1014, when Ohrid was the capital of the first state of the Macedonian Slavs, and therefore today it's known as Samuil's fortress. After the complete fall of that kingdom, and fallen again under the Byzantine rule, the Emperor Basil II completely destroyed the fortress, but later on it was rebuilt several times. By its ramparts and towers, the fortress encompasses the whole hill of Ohrid that rises above the lake. From all sides, except the south that is turned towards the lake, the city is protected by high towers and walls, about 3 kilometers long. The height of the ramparts is different, from 3 to 16 meters, depending on the terrain. The last one who has used the fortress for defense and living was Celaddin Bey, an outlaw from the Ottoman Central Administration, who ruled Ohrid by the end of the 18th and the beginning of the 19th century.